All right, today I have a Genesis GV70, and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers as well as how to operate the windshield washer to wash the windshield. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it for the front windshield as well as the rear window. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, you can give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm behind the wheel of my Genesis GV70. And in order to operate the windshield wipers to wipe your windshield and rear window, what you'll do is, I'm in the vehicle right here. I'll look through the vehicle, my vehicle's on, and you'll see that there is this lever right here. Get in closer so you can see it. And so this lever right here is the lever for operating the windshield wipers. Okay, let me get in a little so you can see it a little bit better. So when I'm right here, is this better angle right here? No, that's not. I'll get right here. And this lever right here is for operating it. All right. So what you'll do is you have this mist option, and I use that for wiping a mist off the windshield. All right. I'll take this and I'll just raise the roof right here a little bit, and it does the mist. Now I'll wipe it a couple of times to make sure the mist is off, and I'll show you, maybe it'll be a better look right here. So I'll take this, watch this, raise it, it wipes, okay? Wipes, and when I release it, it actually stops, okay? So that is the mist, and it goes back to the native off position, all right? So next, I'll go to auto, low, and high. First, I'll go to low and high, then I'll come back to auto to show you that. Okay, so what I'll do is, in order to get to the low setting, to where it's wiping it at the low speed setting, I'm going to go down. It's currently in off position. I'll go to auto, then low. So I'll go doon, doon, right? Now it is in the low position. Now if you look at it, it's going low right here. Not low, but low, okay? It's in the low position. And if I want it for high, for those torrential downfalls, I'll take this lever and I'll go from low to high by taking this lever and going down one more notch. So now it is in high position. You can see it's going really fast. In order to turn it off, I'm going to show you how to turn it off, and then I'll go to the low automatic position so you can understand that. I'll just take this, pull it all the way up, release it, it is off. And now to the auto position, which I normally keep it in. I will take it, it's currently in off, I will take this lever and go to off. Now when I do that, right, when I do that, I am in the off position, or the auto position. I can adjust the frequency or the cadence by moving this lever right here. This is low and this is high, okay? So when the vehicle automatically detects that there's water on the windshield, it'll automatically go to use and start wiping. So this is the high, and I can take it down to low. And now when I want to turn it completely off, not in the auto position at all, I'll just take this lever, raise it, and release, just like that, okay? So that is for the windshield. Now, in order to turn on, actually, I'm going to go to the rear window, how to operate that first, and then I'll go over the washing. Okay, so for the rear window, you have three settings. You have off, low, and high. You change it by going the same lever, but going to the end, and this is a knob, not creak. You can turn. It's currently in the off position. I'll turn it to low, and you can see it wiping back there. I did it low, and then there's a high position that you can set it right there. All right, and when you're ready to turn it off, you just simply go all the way down like that. All right, now gone on to how to wash the windshield and rear window. You'll go ahead, and this lever right here, you see this right here, this is how you turn on the windshield washer. And what I'm gonna do is I'll take this lever and I'll pull it, and you see that the windshield is washing just like that. And when I release it, the fluid stops coming out and I'm good to go. All right, now for the rear window, I'll take the same lever and I'll push it, and if you look back there, it's washing the rear window just like that. And when I'm done, release it and it stops just like that. And that is how you turn on and off the windshield wipers as well as the windshield washer. Just generally how you operate the windshield washing and wiping system. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching and watching.